Familiarize yourself with the 2014 Hyundai Accent. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback still has less than 35,000 kilometers. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, remote keyless entry, and more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraint, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.